Yo, Barber Studio, the squad. What do you guys see there? Plastic and a ladder. I'll tell you in a bit what we're doing. Plastic everywhere. What do you guys think we're gonna do? Forget about that, I'll tell you guys. We're about to paint the roof. Stay tuned for the final result. Here. You got the guys working here. And they're not only barbers, but they construction workers too.
Yes, sir. That shit was dead.
Check
We did
that
it in
out.
10 minutes, bro.
Damn.
We did it in 10 minutes. We started at 7:10.
Damn, Gabriel, that's all you did?
Hey, all this plastic that you guys see here is because we're gonna be painting the barbershop. We're actually gonna be painting the roof, as you guys see on the top. Not only that, we're gonna be adding lights as well. But the first thing is prepping every wall, hiding everything for our painter tomorrow. When they come, paint everything on the top. Check this out. We are halfway through. We got the floors to cover. That wall right here to cover the office inside. And the wall behind, and the wall in front of me as well. Which is this one. And it's all ready for paint. Wait. Tenemos el body cut in action. We're making some progress here. Look, we had to tape the whole. Check it out, guys. We had to tape this plastic bag because wind was escaping in and blowing the plastic out. So one of the guys was like, put tape on the bottom, and look, it worked.
It's a lot quicker when he lavishes.
Yeah, it was.
Excellent.
You guys see that box right there? There's lights in here. And we're gonna now rebuild those lights. Those are the lights that are gonna go on top. They're like the hexagon shape. All we have to do is pretty much build them together, put them together like Legos. Once we do that, then our light guy is gonna come and install it all on the top. And then we're ready to go.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
Check out the progress. We got 2 lights. We got 1 more to go in that box there. Check it out. These lights are 16 by 8 feet. Pretty big. And we got 1 more light to go, which is gonna go all the way at the end.